Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Native Instruments Machine 2 with complete all expansions. Yes, that sounds right, with all expansions. This is the full complete bundle. So I'm gonna get my download from extraplugins.com for just $29.99, and I'm gonna show you how you can download and install from this website. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing, we need to choose our operating system. Do you need this download for Mac or Windows? In my case, I need for Mac, so I'm gonna select the Mac and I'm gonna add to cart. Alright, so now I hit on view cart. Right here, click on proceed to checkout. Okay, I'm gonna fill my information and I'm gonna check out, and then I'm gonna catch you again. Alright, as you can see, I just purchased the Machine 2 with all the expansions. I got 2 downloads here, and I also got the 24/7 live chat support. In case of any issue, I can simply message them right there and they're gonna reply me. So let's get started. First thing is we see the click here to download. This is must be for software, and this is all the expansions. I'm gonna start with the software. I'm gonna click there. Alright, it's downloading now. Alright, my download has been completed and I got my product right here. Let's open it. We got how to install video and active, and we got the factory library, and we got the setup. So let's start with the setup and go to the installation and install Machine 2. Alright, now let's install the update. Perfect. Now we need to install the factory library. Let's go to the factory library and make sure we got the PC version here and we got the Mac version here. So simply install the first one. You don't have to install any of these. Just install this first one. Double click and install. Alright, we are pretty done with Machine 2 with factory library. Let's test the software first, then we are going to move for the expansions as well. We're going to install the expansions later as well. So let's test the Machine 2 first. Alright, we got Machine 2 right here. As you can see, the license type is full. Alright, you can see we got the factory library as well. So now let's install the other expansions. For that, just quit your Machine 2 and then go to the extra plugins again and click on the download all expansions. Alright, we got all the expansions list here, and we can download any of the expansion we would like to get. So for that, let's see the list first. Okay, it's a pretty big and long list over there. We got like everything. Alright, so now just for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna download one of these. Just click and it will start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading now. So we have to wait for the download to finish before we can download another one. That's mean just download one by one. Alright, it's downloading now. Alright, it's done. Now let's install one of other as well. For that, just install this one. Alright, it's downloading as well. Alright, the download is completed now, and we got our expansions here. Let's install them one by one. Just double click on ISO file, then click on this file and install for Mac. Amazing. Now let's install the other one as well. The same process. Alright, this is the process for all of the expansion. If you wish to download all of them from here, you have to repeat the same process. Alright, after installation, let's try them in our machine. Alright, as you can see, the expansions is right there, and here's another one we install it. It's also there. So that's the same process you have to do for rest of the expansions. Alright, that's pretty simple, and everything is working fine, full version. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.